Hi guys, I bought it from Home Depot. It's called Congo Grace Polycarbonate sheet. I call plastic sheet so easy everybody understand. They make a big word. Right here you can see it. Alright. Or I call the plastic sheet better for everybody understand. This sell Home Depot $24 for a piece. I got to use this. I will install them in so far 23. Now I got 3 more extra. I will use it. I'm gonna cut like about half an inch or inches here to make a gut. The water had to be run outside. They're not on the deck. Your deck no more, so you feel free with the water leaking or the water humid in your basement. Because my basement like a 9 feet deep, so each time the heavy rain and they call a last they call it humid, so they can be damage a lot of stuff inside basement. So I try to do this by myself. I'm doing the best I can. Beginning of the sheet I installed, you can see far away. This took about 8 feet long, so they gotta be cover them up all from you can see like from vinyl. I gotta be push it on as maximum I can, so when the rain is splat to the water and the water they zip right to your ground, right to the foundation, so they have a chance that water they go to the roof, go to your basement. So right now they cannot do anything. The water just raining out here, and I use like a little bit thing called a gutter. They gotta rain whole water underneath this basement. Later on I'm gonna put at least about some small seed. They ran to the end over there, and the water not be in your under this deck no more. So that means you're able to feel free with humid, with the water leaking in your basement. That's the way I'm doing. I think that's a helpful. That's why if whoever have a basement crack, don't be a panic. You just do this. Cost about 100 to 200 bucks, depend how big your deck is. Mine could be cost about 400 because I use this. Also, you have a good right here. You can see the good. In case that you go inside to do something underneath it. It's not high. It's about 3 feet, 2.5 feet to 3 feet. That's why very hard to go in here. So when I do one time, and I never gonna do another time. That's why you can see from the end to beginning. Oh, this right now I gotta use the line to let you see. Even right now it's about 130, but I still need the line to be seen underneath of the deck. So hopefully you can see this, and that's the way I'm doing right now. I think I set it for you guys, and you can see, do it yourself. When anything happen, you don't like humid water leak in your house, into your basement, so you have to do like this. All right. This look like a gutter here. This is going to be a final. I put look like a little gutter here. All this connect, and the water ran on this way. It will make it flush on this side, and you don't see no water underneath here anymore. And also you can see here, we cover up all this with called a white diamond sheet, and that's able to be hold outside all this stuff. And first thing that the animal cannot go into here. Also when you blow the leaf in the fall, all that leaf cannot go inside here either. All right, and I'm gonna cover up here outside here with the white diamond seed. That's it. Look like we almost done in here. This one I done. I show you step by step. Here is a long piece of wood, 1 by 2. In here another one, 2, 1 by 4. This one in the center because you need that in case you want to do something. You can lean in that, and the seat is not going to be broke or cracked. Now far away, you can see all I do is it just slide down at least about 10 degrees. You can see here going down. Okay, 10 degrees. So the water absolutely go to the end 8 feet. So that means you have free water in here for 100%. There ain't no water in here. You can, after even heavy rain, but make sure you seal down to the end, to the vinyl. You see the vinyl there? The vinyl that will be glow with the seed, and there ain't no water go zip right to the wall. So that means you feel free all the water. You can point here. That means you can see my seed again 100% to my foundation outside, and there ain't no water can be in. Okay, that's good enough. I use to go to white diamond seed, go bright privacy, and they no water in there. I bought 2-3 seeds, but I cover them up on my deck, so no leaf can go in, no animal can go inside. So you feel free inside there. You don't go in there no more. You can open a little bit gap here, like you can load something inside there. All right, that's all I can do for you see. And also, thank you. Subscribe for me if you like this video a lot. Subscribe for me if you like this video a lot.